So hello and welcome all of you guys. In this video we will see that how to get free VPS online Linux terminal for a small time or for a permanent basis. Like you can also create temporary files if you have to do a single work for half an hour or something, or do lab like things, then you can consider this services like Copy.sh and other files. You can see this, or you can also search for Linux VP and use these websites, and these are working. You can host your website here for some time. Maybe it's on a temporary basis. Okay, so let's close this, and this is also a website, Linux containers. You can also try it here. Okay, so it's also working, but this is for 30 minutes. And now there are permanent solutions also with free trials and other stuff, but for temporary I like Google GitHub code spaces and Google project idx. These are the two reliable tools which runs for some time and then shuts down. You can also suggest if you are a student, you can take GitHub student developer pack and upgrade the specs and time limit of 3 or 4 hours or like something. Okay, and you can use Google Cloud Shell. And if you know any more, then you can comment it here. Thanks for watching the video.